The little blue bird.
Once upon a time, there was a little blue bird. She lived in a big green tree. Every morning, the bird sang, "Good morning, sun." The flowers smiled, and the wind danced. One day, the little blue bird felt lonely. She wanted a friend to play with. She flew and flew until she saw a small brown rabbit. "Hello, rabbit. Do you want to play with me?" the bird asked. "Yes," said the rabbit. "Let's play hide and seek." They laughed and played all day. From that day, the little blue bird was never lonely again.